Here is a video of me yawning, in case you guys out there are sleepy. After all, here, where I'm at, in North Carolina, this wretched ass state, backwards ass state that I reside in.